Hi, I am going to start with muscle tissue. Muscle tissue is responsible for movement in the body of the skeletal muscle. Description: striated voluntary muscle. Function: moves bones and other structures. Example: biceps and triceps. Next, I have smooth muscle, non-striated involuntary muscle. Controls movement in internal organs. Examples: wall of stomach, intestines, and blood vessels. Next, I have cardiac muscle. Description: striated involuntary muscle. Contracts to pump blood. Example: heart. So I had this here to help me out. Show me skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. Next, I have nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is specialized for communication and controls in the body. First, I have neurons, cells that transmit electrical signals, receive, process, and transmit information. Example: sensory neurons, motor neurons. Next, I have neuroglia. Supports cells for neurons, provides support, insulation, and protection for neurons. Example: astrocytes and microglia. Printed this here, help me see what a neuroglia looks like, and then neurons here. Perfect. All right, next I have epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue covers surfaces for protection, absorption, and secretion. It forms boundaries between different environments in the body. Printed these guys out to help me see those. Types of epithelial tissue. First, I have simple epithelium. Description: single layer of cells. Function: absorption, secretion, and filtration. Examples: lining of intestines and kidney tubules. Next, I have stratified epithelium. Description: multiple layers of cells, like this one, I could see. Multiple layers of cells. Protection in areas of high abrasion. Examples: skin, lining of esophagus. Next, I have pseudostratified epithelium. Single layer of cells of varying heights, appearing as multiple layers. Also was able to see what they meant by that right here. Function: secretion and absorption. Examples: lining of trachea. Next, I have glandular epithelium. Description: specialized for secretion. Function: secretes hormones, enzymes, and mucus. Example: I have endocrine glands, secretes hormones. So this one, like I said, helped me see the different kinds of cells. I actually couldn't find what the glandular epithelium, so that's why I printed this guy, because I could see the epithelial cells, glandular cells, blood vessels, and then different kinds of glands. So that helped me out. Next, I have connective tissue. Here. Connective tissue supports, connects, and separates different tissue and organs in the body. First, I started with loose connective tissue. Description: loosely arranged fibers with abundant ground substance. Function: wraps and cushions organs. Examples: underlies epithelia, surrounds organs and blood vessel. So that's the first one here. I know it's backwards. Oh, maybe it's... Anyways, next I have dense connective tissue. Description: densely packed fibers. Function: provides strong attachment and support. Examples: tendons connect muscle to bone, ligaments connect bone to bone. And that's the second one right here. I can see all that there. Tendon and ligament. Next I have cartilage. It's a firm, flexible tissue. It supports and cushions joints. Examples: ears, nose, joints. Then next is bone. Description: hard, rigid tissue. Supports the body, protects organs, and provides a framework for muscles. So here I can see the knee joint and cartilage and bone. Next is blood. Fluid, connective tissue, transports oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and waste. Example: blood vessels. Lymph. Fluid, connective tissue derived from blood, transports white blood cells and filters and returns fluid to the bloodstream. Example: lymphatic vessels. This one didn't have much of a picture, just says blood and lymph, but I was able to see. And I think that's it. And I finished. I wrote down each one with the main points of what I was going to talk about. So that helped me. These guys, I was able to distinguish what I was reading. I think epithelial tissue was definitely helped. These helped a lot. Sorry, it's like my 10th take. Here's this one. And then this one was the easiest. All right, thank you.